Here we are, Duda Regional Park. I'm just walking along the trail in. It's only a few hundred yards, and then you get to the first of the hills and the trails. There's several trails that go through the park here, so something for everybody. Great spot for families, picnic tables everywhere, beaches, awesome. Whakakaifara Pa walk, 1 hour return. Bit of a hike. And of course we're on the farm loop, so we're on a trail which goes one side of the hills here we are. I'm up on the tip of Dudas Regional Park, close to the end. From here you can go down that way, which is a track which takes you down to the beach, and also a track which takes you along to the huts which you can stay overnight at, which is pretty good. You can see the spectacular bay behind me. I'll just pan around a wee bit, try not to get my ugly mug in the way. Yeah, amazing, isn't it? Just look at that view. Just spectacular. So yeah, it's a great place. Come up, bring the kids. It's a little bit tough for little ones to walk because it's probably a couple of k's along the trails to the end of the peninsula here. It's worth it. Bring some lunch, bring plenty of drink. If you got little wee ones, probably under 5, then it's going to be a long trek for them, but you can do it. It's not really somewhere where you'd bring push chairs, so unless your wee ones can walk, it's probably going to be a bit tough for them. But if you're into a bit of fitness, or you just want to see some spectacular scenery, beautiful Auckland bays and beaches, the islands out in the Gulf there, it's just amazing. So come to Dudas Point Regional Park, it's amazing, you'll love it. 200-300 yards to go. See the gate entrance in the distance there. Almost back to the car park. Pretty happy about that because I'm a bit knackered. My old calves haven't had a workout like this for a few days. Beautiful day though, sunny, warm. It's November here in Auckland in New Zealand, and it's looking pretty good for the weather. Hopefully we'll get a decent summer. We can come out and do a few more of these videos, and hopefully you guys will like the content. If you do, don't forget to like it, subscribe. Hopefully that'll give me the impetus to get out and do a few more. So many beautiful regional parks in the Auckland region. So I plan on doing quite a bit of content like this. Hopefully we'll provide a bit of an insight for visitors, people coming to New Zealand who want to get out in nature a little bit. Close to Auckland, so you don't have to go too far. Good thing is they're all free too. They don't cost anything. Not many rules and regulations. No open fires in the parks. A lot of the regional parks do have gas fireplaces or places where you can have a picnic, and if you bring a little cooker, that's okay. But just don't start any fires with beer flames, firewood, what have you. There are rules around dogs as well, but they're all on the website. Other than that, we're just about back at the truck, so we'll sign off and see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.